In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Revolut app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so your app matches the language you're most comfortable with. Start by opening the Revolut app on your mobile device. This setting is only available on the mobile version, so if you're trying to do this from a desktop browser, you won't see the option. Phones and tablets are perfect for this. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top left corner and tap your profile icon. Depending on your device, this might look like your initials, a small person silhouette, or your profile photo. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main home tab, not inside another section of the app. Inside your profile area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. This is where Revolut groups visual and display related preferences. If your app layout looks a little different, keep scrolling slowly. Appearance is typically a dedicated entry, and it should be fairly easy to spot. Next, open Appearance and look for the language option. It's usually the last item in that section, placed below other display choices. Tap Language to open the full list of available languages. You'll now see a list of languages to choose from. Pick the one you prefer by tapping it. The names might appear in their native form, which is helpful if you're switching from a language you don't fully understand. If you're selecting a right-to-left language like Arabic or Hebrew, just be aware that the interface direction will flip to match that language's reading order. This is normal and expected. As soon as you select your language, the app will automatically update its interface. You don't need to restart the app in most cases. Give it a moment if the change doesn't appear instantly. If it seems stuck, a quick force close and reopen can help, but typically the switch is seamless. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language on your Revolut app. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these same actions. A quick tip: keeping your app updated ensures you see the latest language options and the clearest menus. And if you share your device with someone else, choosing a language you both understand can make navigating features like payments and cards much smoother. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider sharing it with someone who might appreciate a clearer interface in their preferred language.